Polymarket, a leading prediction market platform, has recently experienced a significant surge in public and financial interest after securing full exchange designation from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, in late November 2025. This pivotal regulatory approval allows the platform to legally operate within the United States, marking a transformative moment for the entire prediction market industry, as reported by Covers.com. The news has thrust Polymarket and its founder, Shayne Coplan, back into the spotlight, highlighting a new era for speculative trading on future events. This designation is not merely a procedural step. It fundamentally redefines Polymarket's status from a platform operating in a regulatory gray area to a fully compliant, licensed financial exchange. This profound shift is expected to open the U.S. market to millions of new users who were previously unable to legally access the platform due to regulatory uncertainties. Furthermore, it could potentially attract substantial institutional capital, thereby firmly establishing prediction markets as a recognized and legitimate asset class within the American financial system. The implications extend far beyond Polymarket itself, setting a crucial precedent for other platforms seeking regulatory legitimacy and challenging traditional forecasting methodologies with its claimed superior accuracy, according to industry analysis. This breakthrough signifies a significant maturation of the prediction market space, moving it closer to mainstream financial acceptance and potentially altering how future events are predicted and valued across various sectors. The regulatory victory for Polymarket came in the form of an amended order of designation from the CFTC, as detailed by Covers.com, enabling it to operate as a fully regulated designated contract market, or DCM. This crucial approval carries stringent requirements, mandating the platform to implement robust surveillance procedures to meticulously monitor all trading activities, efficient clearing mechanisms to ensure the integrity and settlement of every transaction, and comprehensive reporting rules to maintain complete transparency with regulators and market participants. These rigorous measures are specifically designed to protect market participants, prevent manipulation, and ensure fair and orderly trading practices. In return for adhering to these strict regulations, the designation grants American users legal access to trade on the platform through registered Futures Commission merchants and brokerages, a monumental development for U.S. market access that was previously unavailable. At the heart of Polymarket's resurgence is CEO Shayne Coplan, who founded the platform at age 22 in 2020. Coplan has been making aggressive public statements about his platform's predictive power, claiming that prediction markets represent the most accurate thing we have as mankind right now for answering complex questions, a statement widely reported by financial news outlets. This bold assertion positions betting markets as potentially superior to traditional forecasting methods, academic models, and expert consensus, generating significant debate and extensive media coverage regarding the efficacy and future role of these innovative financial instruments in shaping public discourse and decision-making. Polymarket's journey to this current regulatory approval was fraught with significant obstacles, painting a compelling redemption narrative for the company and its founder, Shayne Coplan. In 2022, the CFTC fined Polymarket $1.4 million for operating without proper authorization and subsequently forced the platform to block U.S. users, according to Covers.com. This period marked a challenging phase for the nascent industry, highlighting the substantial regulatory hurdles faced by decentralized platforms attempting to innovate within established financial frameworks. More dramatically, FBI agents seized Coplan's devices during an investigation, though that investigation was later dropped following the 2025 administration change, as reported by various news sources, adding a layer of intrigue to the company's history. Despite this troubled past, the platform is now experiencing massive trading volumes on high-stakes prediction markets, demonstrating renewed user confidence and engagement following the regulatory clarity. For instance, a market asking, "Will Polymarket US go live in 2025?" has accumulated $13.5 million in trading volume, with the outcome currently disputed but proposed as yes, according to data from Polymarket's website. This indicates active trader confidence in the platform's imminent U.S. launch. Other trending markets include the Fed rate decision in December, which has seen $204.5 million in volume, with traders pricing in an 89% probability of a 25 basis point rate cut, and a meta-market titled, "Nothing Ever Happens." December, accumulating $115,975 in volume. Betting on major geopolitical or financial events. All verifiable on Polymarket's platform. The platform now hosts over 10,000 live markets spanning geopolitics, sports, entertainment, and finance, as stated by Covers.com, showcasing its broad appeal and diverse offerings to a global audience. The CFTC approval fundamentally transforms Polymarket's status from a gray market platform to a fully regulated financial exchange, a shift with profound implications for the broader financial landscape and the future of prediction markets. This regulatory legitimacy opens the U.S. market to millions of potential traders who previously couldn't legally access the platform, as noted by industry analysts, significantly expanding its potential user base and market reach. It also firmly establishes prediction markets as a recognized asset class within the American financial system, potentially paving the way for greater institutional adoption and substantial investment from traditional financial entities. Furthermore, this approval creates a crucial template for other prediction market platforms seeking similar regulatory approval, potentially streamlining future compliance efforts across the entire industry and fostering a more regulated environment. This could trigger a significant wave of institutional capital flowing into prediction markets, as major financial players gain confidence in their regulatory standing and operational integrity. In terms of competitive dynamics, while Polymarket celebrates its regulatory victory, its rival Kalshi is facing a sweeping nationwide class action lawsuit. This lawsuit accuses Kalshi of operating an illegal sports betting platform and misleading customers by marketing traditional bets as trades, according to Covers.com. This stark legal contrast highlights how Polymarket's hard-won regulatory approval provides a decisive competitive advantage, positioning it as a legitimate and compliant player in a rapidly evolving and often scrutinized market. The broader implications of Polymarket's regulatory success and CEO Shayne Coplan's bold claims extend far beyond the platform itself, potentially reshaping how information is aggregated and utilized for forecasting. Coplan's assertion that prediction markets offer superior accuracy directly challenges the authority and methodologies of traditional forecasting institutions, ranging from academic economists to government agencies. If prediction markets genuinely outperform expert consensus, this could fundamentally reshape how organizations make critical decisions about policy formulation, investment strategies, and comprehensive risk management, as observed by financial commentators. The increasing interest from major financial players suggests that institutions are indeed recognizing the potential of prediction markets as a legitimate and valuable asset class for information aggregation and sophisticated risk assessment. The timing of Polymarket's regulatory approval, occurring under the new 2025 administration, combined with the dropped FBI investigation, has created a compelling narrative of vindication for Coplan and his platform. This confluence of events has significantly amplified media coverage and public interest, particularly among audiences skeptical of traditional institutions and those interested in decentralized prediction mechanisms, according to various news reports. This blend of regulatory clarity, robust market activity, and a compelling backstory positions Polymarket at the forefront of a burgeoning financial frontier, poised to influence how information is valued and utilized in the future of global markets.